Awesome. Good morning, everybody. My name is Chris Wilson with Modified Independence. I am down here in Crescent Beach with my friend Jennifer Akin from J. Akin Law.
Hello.
Yeah, it's beautiful down here. I love driving down here.
It's great down here.
Yeah.
Clients love coming down here.
Yeah.
We have lunch at the beach.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
So we're going to hop right into it. I'm going to
Okay.
start with my first question. Okay. We're going to talk about J. Akin Law in a minute, but
Okay.
you are the J and the Akin.
I am.
So tell me about Jennifer Akin. Who are you?
So I am born and raised in upstate New York.
Whereabouts?
Syracuse.
Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm. So I hated being cold, so came down here to go to school. So I'm actually, I was a fashion major at Florida State.
Okay.
Yeah. And graduated and decided didn't love it. So became a CNA in a nursing home.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
See, this is just fascinating stuff. Like, this is why I do this, because I find out the most fascinating
I know people
things
love
about
to hear
people.
this story. Yeah. But, money talks, and it was $10 an hour. So, I ended up working for Target for a long time in this area. And, but then ended up going to law school.
Okay.
Decided I needed to do something different than retail.
Where was law school at?
Jacksonville, Florida Coastal.
Okay.
And then graduated, went back up to New York, practiced there for a little bit. Regretted it. Was so cold the whole time.
Were you doing senior law?
No, I was doing family law.
Family law.
Yeah.
So like divorces. And,
legal aid too. So super stressful. So we got pregnant with my first child, and I said, I'm not raising a child in the snow. So we came back down here, and I met a gentleman opening an estate planning firm, joined with him, and he introduced me to elder law. That was 8 years ago.
8 years. You've been at it for 8 years now.
8 years, and I became board certified about 2 years ago.
Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So 1 kid, 2 kids?
I have 3 small kids.
Ooh.
Isla's 4, little Bear's 6, and Alex is 10. My husband is Barry. He works here in our law firm as well. My oldest son is autistic.
Oh, he's on the spectrum. Yeah.
He's on the spectrum, very high functioning. So I incorporate a lot of special needs law into my practice.
I know another lawyer, Chris Keever, same thing.
I know Chris very well. Yeah. I went to law school with Chris.
It's incredible. So you take care of them young and you take care of them old.
Yep.
Yeah. And everywhere in between.
And it's funny because a lot of people hear elder law, so they don't associate that with special needs law or helping families that are younger than elderly or seniors.
Right.
So, but we help families of all ages.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So tell me about J. Akin Law. What is your purpose? What is your mission?
Well, our purpose is to help seniors and people with disabilities and families planning for their loved ones if long-term care becomes inevitable. Or one of the biggest things is helping families figure out if something happens to them, who's going to take care of their child with special needs.
Absolutely.
As a mother, something I fear, and I know a lot of other parents and loved ones feel that way, and it's my job to give them peace of mind, or at least give them some hope that they know their loved one will be taken care of. That's
really cool. And how many employees do you have?
So this is our 5-year anniversary month.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
And we it started in an attic with my sister and I. So my sister Brittany is one of our Medicaid specialists.
Oh, okay.
So she helps families with the Medicaid applications and getting the approvals. And now we've grown, and I'm the only lawyer, and I have a team of 10.
Wow. Yeah. Is your mom based out of here too?
She is. So,
okay.
Yeah. So she works out of here, but she's based out of her home.
Okay.
So for those of you that don't know, my mom is a geriatric care manager with Palm Aging Life Management. So she helps families manage care for their loved ones.
And I tell her that I'm going to be looking for her soon.
This is really good. And
we need to get her in front of the camera.
Yeah, because more often than not, I get phone calls, and I'm like, you don't really need me yet. You really need someone to help you.
Care management is so important. It's really the step,
right?
After the plan's been made, right?
I just think
just making sure that
I think it's even the first step, right? To figure out figuring out what's going on. Do we need some modifications to the home? Do we need legal kind of thing? And I feel like they're really at the front end of things.
Yeah.
And a lot of people really don't understand care management or know what that means. So I think it'd be good to get her on.
Yeah, we'll definitely get her in there. So, so let's see here. I don't know. We'll just end the segment right here, and we'll go on to the next questions. All right. Thank you very much, folks. This has been our first segment of 7 Minutes for Seniors. I appreciate you. This is Jennifer Akin. Would you do everybody a favor and tell them how they can get a hold of you?
So
website, social media, phone numbers?
So we're J. Akin Law. That's JAKIN Law. www.jakinlaw.com is our website. Our phone number is 904-320-0011.
What's your address, your physical address?
Oh, we're 6045 A1A South, St. Augustine, Florida. We are based in Crescent Beach, but we travel. We have offices in Flagler Beach as well, but I do a lot of home visits as well.
And are you active on social media? You want to put any social tags out there?
I'm not good with that stuff.
No?
I mean, we have
I think
Facebook.
I saw one. I think I tagged you this morning. It was Florida.jakinlaw.
We have Facebook. We have Instagram.
Okay.
Believe it or not, I'm not really good with social media. So
okay.
Somebody helps me with that.
I don't know. I wasn't either, and I just practiced with it.
I'm learning.
The worst thing you can do is make a scene, and then somebody actually thinks it's funny.
Yeah.
And before you know it, you're driving around the city doing interviews with people.
My office.
It's amazing how these things work,
it's
right?
Crazy.
Did you give your email address as well?
It's Jennifer, JENNIFER @jakinlaw.com.
Awesome. I really appreciate you.
Thanks for having me.
We'll be back again tomorrow with our second segment. Y'all have a good day. Make sure you reach out to her. All her information is going to be in the credits in 3, 2,